Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix bad audio with outside noise in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Here you can see that I have a video on my timeline with bad audio and background noise. Suppose I want to fix the audio for this clip. To do this, go to the Inspector tab, then Audio. In the Audio tab, we just need the AI Voice Isolation and the AI Dialogue Leveler options. But unfortunately, these two options are only available in the Studio version of DaVinci Resolve. You won't find them in the free version. Now, before I turn them on, let's hear the audio first.
Right. Then I can tell you to sell your car. It's old. It's old. I give it to you.
Are you supposed to be driving while talking on the phone?
No. Do not drive and talk on the phone at the same time. What?
Here, you can hear the condition of the video. It contains a lot of background noise. Now, let's turn them on and listen to the video once again.
Right. Then I can tell you to sell your car. It's old. It's old. I give it to you.
Are you supposed to be driving while talking on the phone?
No. Do not drive and talk on the phone at the same time. What?
You can hear the difference yourself. That difference is massive, and that's literally it. It's impressively good at cleaning up audio where there's a lot of background noise, and it only takes 2 button clicks and a slider. If you want to take it one step further, you can also play around with the voice isolation value and the dialogue leveler. But to be honest, I usually just leave it set to optimize moderate level, and that does the job perfectly. And that's it for today's speedrun. See you soon. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.